Hello, Joe here. Welcome back to the Luvele kitchen. Today we're going to make some healthy sun-dried tomato and basil chicken sausages using our Eclipse Meat Grinder. So let's get straight into it. For our chicken sausages today, we're going to use 1.5 kilos of chicken thighs with the fat left on. We're going to use our 5mm cutting plate for a finer textured chicken sausage. Load up your hopper plate with the chicken ready to push through your meat grinder. Switch on your grinder to speed 2 and push the chicken through gently, allowing the grinder to do the work. Our chicken is minced and we're ready to add our other ingredients. Into a large mixing bowl, we're going to add 1/4 cup of finely chopped basil, followed by 4 cloves of crushed garlic, 3 finely chopped spring onions, and 100 grams of finely chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Next is 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. An optional extra is 1/4 cup of dry white wine. Give the ingredients a good mix together to form our sausage mixture. Our sausage mixture is ready to go. Now it's time to set up our sausage nozzle. We're going to be using our newly designed Luvele 2-blade and 2-hole cutting plate. We have designed our 2-blade and 2-hole cutting plate to allow the sausage mixture to flow through the meat grinder more smoothly and easily. Place the 2-blade on the grind screw, followed by the 2-hole cutting plate. Screw the fixing ring into position with the nozzle. Today we're using our 22mm nozzle for a medium-sized sausage. Our nozzle is in position and we're ready to load on our sausage casing. Rinse under water, then grab one open end and slide the casing onto the nozzle. The casing we're using today is 23mm, which allows it to slide on nice and easy. Our sausage mixture is ready to go and our casing is loaded. We're now ready to fill our hopper plate and begin filling our sausages. Switch on the meat grinder to speed setting 1 and then push through some mixture until it reaches the end of the nozzle. We now need to tie off the end of the casing. Switch the meat grinder back on to setting 1 and begin filling your sausages. Tie off the end of the casing and we're now ready to begin twisting our sausages into individual pieces. To do this, gently pinch some sausage mixture apart and twist. And that's our sun-dried tomato and basil chicken sausages done, ready to cook up and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that and found it helpful. For more Luvele life recipes, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you again in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.